Today we're going to talk about the fastest growing health condition in the world today. This is arthritis. The percentage has increased up to 45% in the last 2 years when it comes to arthritis, a burning problem with severe muscle wasting, bone degeneration, joint inflammation, the posture changes, the fingers start turning its shape, and in such conditions where there is degeneration, where the condition is barely being managed or not managed with the steroids or the best of best treatments and injectables across the globe happening today, the research is done on the arthritis condition. We see patient having still all the lakshanas, all the symptoms, we see all treatments done, and in such cases where the back is degenerated, where the finger shapes it has changed, and in such conditions we see old is gold, the oldest system of medicine, Ayurveda, we see complete results, we see promising results, we see magical results with Ayurveda Panchakarma, how patients recover. And in this video we're going to understand why, what is the principle, how will you recover, how will you follow simple tips that I will explain you in today's video and you see magical results. Why and how arthritis is completely curable through an Ayurveda treatment is something we're going to discuss in this video. So make sure you watch till the end and watch only if you're going to follow what will be shared in this video so you get the best results. Keep watching, we'll be back. Namaste everyone, welcome to Jyovis Hospital of Ayurveda and Aesthetic Center, Mumbai. We're talking about arthritis. This word arthro means joint, and itis, like any other incurable condition or conditions that are managed with temporary medicines like sinusitis, rhinitis, proctitis, bronchitis, and all other different itis. This is arthritis, which is an inflammatory condition. In all inflammatory disorders we see maximum patients, you can say more than 80-90% patients have it since 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, just temporarily being controlled by the same drug which was taken today from one place and tomorrow from another. The brands keep changing, but the drug content is always same, which gives temporary relief. In this video, our whole goal is to understand how we must look at the inflammatory conditions and how we must recover from them. Coming to arthritis, we must understand arthritis could be because of multiple reasons. The number one reason, it is age-related arthritis where there is degeneration seen. The second reason where muscle wasting, or it could be the reasons where there is a trauma or an accident or an injury. The third reason we see Balakshakjanya Sandhi Rog, where low immune system or autoimmune condition, where the immune system's job and work and profile is to protect the body, but because of the emotional phase, because of cursing the own body and cursing the own self, because of the here and there problems and because of emotional stress, we see this immune system attacking the own joints, and the condition represented is arthritis. We have no idea, there are more than 100 types of arthritis. There is psoriatic arthritis, there is septic arthritis, there is gout, there is osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, and many different types of arthritis. Ayurveda diagnoses all these arthritis years ago in the form of Vat, Pitta, Kapha, Rakta, and combination of these doshas, and according to that does to the point specific treatment in order to cure the root cause of the condition. It is very important to understand that an Ayurvedic orthopedic doctor specialized in orthopedic conditions sees the condition, why, what is the reason, and as per that the right kind of treatment is selected and it is performed on the patient. In Ayurveda, we see that there is a wide range of treatment perspective. Before that, let's understand, as the patient starts having initial stages of arthritis, it is settled down with the here and there painkillers. Then patients move down to the steroids once a week, twice a week, every day. They start with prednisolone, and then maximum patients switch to methotrexate. The brand name Folitrex is very common. Almost out of 8 people, 7 to 6 people will take this Folitrex and they will feel my pain is gone and I'm getting good results. But those patients come to Ayurveda in spite of taking all these medicines and the yearly ones, best of best injections, which patients do get relief with. After doing all of this, when there is severe degeneration, yet there is pain, yet there was temporary relief, but now there is severe degeneration and pain, patient turn towards this science of Ayurveda and they see magical results. In few cases, we also see that patients turn to Ayurveda at a very last stage or a late stage, yet Ayurveda helps in making such conditions better way better for sure in the first few weeks of treatment itself, in spite of wasting maximum time and doing the maximum degeneration and damage to the body. Yet we see Ayurveda is making conditions better. We see patients referring different patients, the reason being that when my mother lived, although she didn't get completely cured, but she died with such a good atmosphere. She was very healthy. She saw that the condition was improving pretty much. So patients often tell us that because of this good sense of well-being, improvement in the condition, and natural improvement is always a different feeling of how the patients feel. So it is very important that after doing all this, patients turn to Ayurveda and they see magical results. Through Ayurveda, we have a series and a wide variety of treatment protocols. I have been sharing in different videos how Vidya Karma and Agni Karma helps. The hand which was not going up since years and years, with Vidya Karma and Agni Karma, within 10 seconds, 20 seconds, the hand is raised up. The pain is coming down. It is unbelievable treatment, Vidya Karma, Agni Karma. We keep sharing about this. There is Sarvanga Dhara, Shiro Dhara, there is Patra Potli Pinda Swed. In this video, I'm going to teach you two treatments. Number one treatment is the Swedan, which you will be doing at home and you will see the results. The second is the Basti treatment, about which I'll be giving you information because it requires a lot of different videos in order to do it at home in a very safe way. So coming to number one, it is something that I want you to note down and want you to try. Let's start. It is called as the Patra Potli Pinda Swed. I will name a few leaves. Any one leaf you will require. Even if you don't have, I will give you an alternate of what needs to be used. Number one, you will require Eranda Patra. You will be requiring the leaves of Ricinus communis, which is Eranda Patra, the leaves of Eranda. If you don't have, you can use Vitex nigando, which is Nirgundi Patra. If you don't have, you can use Arka Patra. And you take any of these or all of these, you take a small portion, grind it, and the grinded portion, just put it on the gas, just fry it until the fumes come. Take this set of leaves and you make a potli of it. We have a video on YouTube of potli for skin. We've explained how to prepare the potli. I'll add a video over here so you can go through. So you can take that reference and make this potli. You have to keep a gauze piece. You have to put that, you have to put the arka or the patra, the leaves out here, and you just tie a potli, heat it over gas and give a sake on the body. One must remember, for conditions like arthritis, more than applying oil, heat, giving a sake, giving fermentation is amazing. So you prepare this and you give 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You do this potli. I'll add a video over here of how we do it for the patients. So potli has amazing results. If you don't have any of these leaves, there's a medicine called as Kotam Chukadi Churna. You can simply take Kotam Chukadi and directly put it on the gauze, tie a potli, heat it. If you don't even have this one, you can simply take sand. You can put it, give a sake. This sand treatment is altogether a different type of Swedan Karma, which is Valuka Potli Swed, which in this condition sand itself is used. So this will equally give you the best results. Swedan Karma, it's best for Vata Vikar. We see nervous disorders, muscle wasting, we see conditions like arthritis. These are one of the best forms of treatment. So along with this, the second which I'm going to talk about is the Basti. Basti is like the master treatment. It is like the best treatment because we know Basti is best for Vata. Vata resides in the Pakwasha, in the large intestine, and if we take charge of Vata, we see maximum issues being solved. The beautiful part about Basti is explained by the father of surgery, Acharya Shushrut, and the Acharya Shushrut, the father of surgery, explains about Basti in a beautiful way. He says, Bastir vate cha pitta cha kapha rakta cha shasyate samsarga sannipata cha Basti riv hitam sada. Which means whether the condition is of Vat, Pit, Kaf, Rakta, whether it is Samsarga, infectious, Sannipata, combination of all, it is said that Basti riv hitam sada, heat. The Basti will do heat and benefit to the patient. So when the enemas are done, when the enema is not the water enemas, which is contraindicated in arthritis, the Ayurvedic enemas, we at Jyovis Hospital of Ayurveda take this initiative to teach Basti treatment for our patients, all patients, to do it at home. So it saves their time, money, energy. We teach patients to do the Basti at home. We see magical results. Patients don't need to go anywhere. Just simply, in a very easy way, get the Basti at home and every day do the Basti in just 1 minute, 2 minutes. Take the benefits, simple as it is. So Basti treatment, where patient has to go to a center and get it done, we teach them how to do it at home. Master treatment for all Vat Vyadhi. So there is a series of treatment in Ayurveda. Of course, patients require internal medicines to remove the cause, to remove the root. And the arthritis, as per Ayurveda, it could be because of avaran, which is a different concept explained in Ayurveda. It could be because of stroto dushti. It could be because of arm. It could be because of balakshan janya, sandhi rog. All these are, understood, classified by an authentic Ayurvedic orthopedic specialist, orthopedician, and he in Ayurveda studies this and gives the right set of treatment. Basti, right from IBS to arthritis to migraine to skin disorders, is useful for all disorders. It is used in different ways, which is taught to the patient as per their condition. So series of treatment right from Viddagni Karma to the Shirodhara to the Rakta Mokshan, like the Upakarma. There are certain Upakarma where Alabu, Jaloka Ucharan, Siravet, different upchars are done, and we see magical results for arthritis. We see the Ayurvedic proprietary medicines used across the globe by doctors today. We see Activate India, tablet Ortho-C-Med and Ortho-C-Med liniment. We see Ortho-C-Med is removing the arm, it is reducing the Vat. Medicines like Ajmoda, which is the Deepan Pachan, and which is the Amahar medicine in Ayurveda. We see conditions improving way with such internal medicines as well. Of course, internal medicines, Ayurveda and Panchakarma combinations are important. Lot of medicines like there is Sihana, Drasna Eranda Muladi, Rasnadi, Eranda Muladi, Bala Ashwagandhadi. There are combination of medicines which are used, differs from person to person, and this is administered in different ways as per the patient for best results. Any doubts, any questions, do let us know in the comment section below. Until next time, from Jyovis and the team, look impressive, be progressive.